Lolo go school, no, who kill you with Lolo?
We are
You
going
are
to
dead by war. Who tell Lolo go school? Lolo not go any school. Now K2, now she for learn that English.
Okay.
Now
K2 for Lagos.
Move down one of social media.
Hey.
Very bitter human being, very irritating human being. She disgusts me, very rotten human being.
Rotten human being.
God forbid. God
Jesus.
forbid. God forbid.
But they Lolo no be kwa I blame Monica. He blame Monica. Monica na Lolo no born for so many years. If not be Monica, Lolo ga fie over yana.
Monica was so lucky.
Lolo ga fie atene Lolo. Atene Lolo.
Have happiness in her mind.
Lolo was never happy.
That woman is so bitter. Happiness is far away from that woman. Look at the husband.
He's friend for many years.
That woman with that. You must be. You are still bleaching. Go look your skin. Bleaching. Look your skin well. Not be the one where the Meluga they tell you say you fine. Come out all the makeup you put for your face. Same mirror for 5 hours, for 1 hour. Then you look yourself well. You are dead already. Cancer don't already enter your skin already. Go and do blood test now as they talk. So run, go hospital now. Make them treat your cough. That stupid cough when you cough before when you want to die.
Lung cancer. Lung cancer.
Yes, you don't get skin cancer. You don't get smell. Your skin don't irritating. If you see your skin, you need urgent treatment.
Alaribe, Malu Alaribe, call this yo. They say that they wash. They cook for you. Malu Alaribe. Ito ya bello we wa mo bogbe afie kole ijimane hello.
A beautiful case, black hair bunny, we stand by your back. Leave Lolo. Lolo, they use guest bag. They proud. Where people they use Michael Kors, they proud. Lolo, they use guest.
They and the whole thing, not be she even buy her with her money. Not be she even buy it with her money.
Lolo, they call social media. They use guest bag. They proud. Lolo, you are a sweet girl. All your holiday where you go, now so Ali, now you wear.
See, Akwose.
Igwe mumu they talk. Una not to say Igwe no they make comments.
You.
Una not to say Igwe no they represent.
Even if he say Lolo, you are senseless. Hey.
Igwe no they fit talk. Igwe no they fit talk. Your way go your draw you. You know say Pikin come out now. The same phone matter when you talk, it don't happen today. Okay. And phone come out, they go collect phone for her. Now so her face
okay. You see say I felt talking. You see say I felt talking. If they do like it, and I say you
you were brought up from they say Lolo Papa na policeman, na polygamous so Lolo come from. Polygamous so when they say it come from different home. Now do they carry Lolo go do for Lagos before he go abroad? Not
that is why Lolo is so bitter.
For your back.
So bitter. Thank you, Mama. Why I say? Lolo una so Monica Mueria.
God go punish Lolo. God go punish her. Make her apologize to people. She offended a lot of people. Make the you
lolo. Itoya bello.
My sister, we stand for your back. We don't put thumbs up. Lolo cannot bring your page down. Now page go down.
Now you go down in Jesus' name. Now you go down.
Offend anybody.
Now you page go down.
My sister.
Where say? Amanorijo loloke. E meluza, waje loloke meluza, waje okay. Meluza, if person first spoil your marriage for you, now it go better for you. If person never first spoil your marriage, you call the support lolo say spoil my the day where they happy my event. Egbagbo ide egbe oko we be kenu leni. E baby okin bibi wa dimu. Egbe ide egbe oko we. Everywhere no, everywhere ma ya fefe no rijo okay. Igbe ogun agagbuwa bo bi ogbuwa bavan. Ogbuwa bo ta no rijo loloke. Wa jo mo ya asa. Wa jijwe asa. Wa yo da fon we asa. Wa je ra bijwe ya asa. Emi ya ne lolo we ni e udame. Wa je ya asa. Oh, when I'm allowed to way, can't it abono because I lolo do it, Vanina. Oh, my not ten or me, oh, my value or a tea, no with it be. Not ten or remain, no, my value or a tea, no with it be. So, if I hear fam, not ten or me, no, my value, a tea, no with it, but that is it. Because the social media now, it don't bear anyway, one of whom who are bego bokba, one of whom are bego bokba, which I don't even care. I don't care. A lot of you guys social media right? Una see the video where they talk say, hey, he husband don't spend a lot of money. That one don't the verse. That one I don't the right to I will worry. I go pull on crowds. I go gather the money one time like this. I go gather the money, no worry. May we ferish us. Ona do moisa gana la dianga na saga the like. Na saga the like. I go gather the money. Ona yamwe domi ori I pity you now when one use that dummy so we vont for. Lolo doki li career. Mona see when he picky tell and say, Mama, you don't have sense. He said, Lolekia, you don't have sense. Mona see when he picky tell and say, he not get sense. Yeah. What you na now? Where you not get sense? Yeah. He said you don't have sense.
Are you relax and stop acting like that?
Okay.
Yes, now I'm 20 years before I would have like 50. I'm 50.
He said you don't have sense. Why will you be acting like 12 years?
Yeah, what this year boy said to me.
Can you relax and stop acting like a 20-year-old?
Yes, now I'm 20 years before I would have like 50. I'm 50.
I not just want to talk to you. You are senseless.
He's not boy.
He said, Lolekia, you are senseless. I don't want to call her that, Mama. I said, you are senseless. You don't have sense. He said, you don't have sense. You don't have any sense. Even picking where you born. Lolo is a loose goat. A loose ekita. Ekita no lose. Lolekia, back my dead, be okowe. Because who when he not do when he who any raviri. That you are because when they pay you now, say you share. Because Lole cannot they see any other thing to take 5 person. Before you know, you go say yeah, because he mama because he papa this Lolo not they see any other thing to take do saga with person. Ogbera because uheve kia. Ke no ma fie ori o lati e bonoma. Uheve kia Lolo lati e bo wa ya saga ma. Anybody where Lolo wants saga na itoto is a prostitute. Is a this one. Is a that one. All the things where it tag Lolo. Lolo, I'm telling you today, you are a bitter soul. Whether you accept or not, whether you like her or not, you are a bitter human being. You are so bitter because of your past life. The moment you start embracing your present, and you stop forgetting your past, it will be better for you. Because you are hurting yourself the more. You are dragging yourself to the grave the more. You are a bitter somebody. You are so bitter. Well, when say pretty daughter, when say you are a bitter human being. Lolo is so obvious. Everybody does see her. Our eyes have seen. Our ears have heard it. We don't see and say Lolo na very bitter human being. Lolo is the most useless somebody on social media. Lolo na the person where be say, if you just more just reason, I don't need to talk too much. Me una just use una tongue, can't una teeth. In under 1 year, 366 days, how many people Lolo don't do friend who not work? That is to say, better to arrive here with me. That is to say, only here for 10 years. Make una jo reason na. Ijo yagele when any man so woman have noje amalagwa. Amalagwa have noje. Maybe if she not near me now for see they say, hey, you talk to Lola, don't talk to her. You talk to her, don't hear what amalagwa have noje. Ah, he also love one. Just for 1 year, muna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Muna count under 1 year. Only marry Marie Lolo undano. Only marry Marie undano. Under 1 year. Me just the complete 1 year now for social media. Just this August now complete 1 year. Under 1 year, how many people Lolo don't follow quarry? How many don't come and go? That is to say, unhwe susu. Unoke unoji lawa. I will be warrior day, no. You know one thing for life, eh? Friends is something that evil people attract evil people. The good people attract the good people. When you are a good person and you will not know with your pure mind, you go want like make friends with that person, or if they make friends with you, you go they look on. Then later you come discover say this is not my net. Me and this person not fly together. Me and this person, we can't fly together because we are not the same. We cannot click. That is why a lot of people, when they come across Lolo, they cannot click because they are not of the same feather. They are not of the same feather. That is why they come, they go. They come, they go. Lolo not even get your own match feather. He not even get a match feather at all. Or manak boni jehinya. That one now you might be like that. Person will not even get in feather. Now you might be person be. A bitter soul. Lolo is a bitter soul that leads to jealousy. When your soul is so bitter, it leads to jealousy. And when you are jealous of somebody, don't finish. Because jealousy is the last class where you need to attend before you start to fly as winch. Before you need to fly as winch. And winch, they get winch, the bad winch. Immediately you have a bitter soul. You cannot work with it. You cannot deal with it. You cannot even help yourself. You get that bitter soul. From there, that bitter soul will come the result of jealousy. Anybody where you get husband way better pass your own jealousy, you go come out, you want to condemn the man. Anybody where be say get money pass you jealousy. Whether the person give you million, you know they look that one where the person they give you. That jealousy still remain dead. Say, I wish na me just rich like this. If the person get better or Igbo and you there with Igbo man, Lolo, jealousy one killer. He go they wish, I wish na he get that Igbo. Upon us say the person they give her a lot, you know they satisfy him. You say that is a bitter somebody, bitter heart. It leads to jealousy. And when jealousy don't they born like that, it leads to winchy. As an person like Lolo, he don't give a fuck about what people will say. Even if na your happy moment, Lolo go on live video, make sure say it tarnish that your happy moment. Lolo go on live video, make sure say it destroy that happy. That will not be bitter heart. How do somebody have a bitter heart? How can people have a bitter heart? Bitter heart not be waiting to just grow overnight. No, bitter heart is something that has happened to you in the past. Bitter heart. Now waiting you don't pass through for past. That is how you have a bitter heart. And if you cannot deal with it and go and meet some therapist to talk it out, it will be chopping you. Now waiting they do Lolo. Lolo has a bitter heart because of the way they bring her up. The mama born her abandon her. There was never a grandmother who take care of her. There was never a grandfather who take care of her. There was never nobody that was there for her. Every person like Lolo, every bitter heart, they don't want to let go. They don't want to, every little thing, they are jealous. They might be your friend, but when they see me and you see me, see you. I love you. Oh, I love you, but me, you turn your back. Their heart is so bitter, so jealous of you. They are looking for a way to just destroy you. Now, number one, I be Lolo. A bitter heart somebody. Lole ki avosiona your wegbe. Not be the social media people say me you carry belle. Born pikin for Keju for Lagos. Not be person say me you go do nanny for Lagos, make them maltreat you. Not be person say me the woman where you follow do nanny husband, they sleep with you. All these things is the thing that is giving Lolo bitter heart. All these things where they mention. So imagine only one person. You not get mothering love, no mother to care for you, no fathering love, no brothers and sisters. Your mama just abandon una. They do market, they go village. Iji ya adwe kigwe ya davaka, ya davo redeve kigwe. Oh ya aviorave tuke Black Maria. Where they carry mama come. When they see they come now, iri moto for ija jigo ya delek pokpo gari. Lolo mama don't use all the money back pokpo gari for village. Tuke ma voga you must pay me my money jeri mero omu like bagwe. Omu je lolo omu like bagwe son abalone. Also abalone with all those stress a cancer no reg bijana son bring out. The cancer start to they come out. Lole cannot be person cause your sadist. Your sadist has been on your background. Go and deal with it. Go and deal with it. Does that warrant you to be insulting other people's mother? You see it now. You see, say people wanna they call na role model. People wanna they call na presenter. Where they present, where they tell una things. Now she offend person. Now she come at a person wedding day. Can they do all sorts of nasty rubbish thing for good 5 hours? Now she see they claim right. That is equals to a bitter heart. A bitter heart people can never have anything to say that they're wrong. They are always right. Bitter heart people are always right. They don't want to hear any correction. They will tell you, no. I cannot forgive, I cannot forget. No. That is a bitter heart people. Lolo, what's here your wegbe? What's here your wegbe? The woman where your husband give you the belly, go meet them on and settle the thing. Buy ticket and go to Nigeria. Lolo use the matter and say the reason why we into say no they take land for Nigeria. The reason why we into say no they build house for Nigeria. The reason why we into say they even go visit that Nigeria because Nigeria now where if she go today, her memory go refresh and she feel kill herself. She feel kill herself. Lolo feel kill herself because when she enter Europe, she vow. Say, I will never have anything to do with this country called Nigeria. And she still vow, anybody where it be say it come from Nigeria, where it be Bini, he go make sure say he lure them to death. I mean, a lot of vow no. He vow to himself say, if ye do ya fe, whether you be Bini or Igbo, Isha, as long as you are in Nigeria, I must make sure that I dish out my pain on everybody. That is what Lolo has vowed. And that is what she's doing accordingly. The reason why she not quit manifesting for Monica body, because that one they show her love well. That one they give her money well. That one they buy her different only UK or the t-shirt get. Only get. That one they do and they give her a gift. She was not really quick and hungry. Oh, but that one not stop Lolo still the record down when that one piece of body. Because she can never, she a vow. She don't vow already, say she must. Anybody will be saying in Nigeria, therefore come. Anybody at all. Lolo don't vow, say she must make sure, say she give everybody pain. Because, on monogue le hon jije, etie boni joma. On mono hon jinari nije. No matter the differences, you will never, if you have a respect for your mother, you will never insult anybody's mother. If you have a respect for your father, you can never insult anybody's father. If you have a respect for your family, you will never insult people's family. It's logic now. It's logic. But because Lolo is a bitter somebody, she don't even care. If not be Monica, she be not even think of his brothers, his sisters, so they Nigeria. If not be that one, not be I weigh 50 euro, no. Very a gijela, I weigh 50 euro, no. Very a giononi, Lolo be a bad on or a sister. I must blame that one. You have a be no what a hair job and no what frustrated you landini. Who were hair job by now? She for don't jump for the train track. By now, Lolo suppose don't jump for train track. Oni namu uto homa onamu nya ona ga ton ahia ona ga ton ahia. Lolo, and a bitter people can play victim that you go they even cry when they are crying. Bitter-minded people, bitter soul, when now then wrong go, now then they're guilty of the thing. Now they go come they claim victim, they go they cry. The way they go talk, you go they pity them. My people, be wise. More than not say because Kate and Lola they do saga and I make it they talk this thing. Be wise because if you reach your doorstep, if you reach your doorstep, the reason why people see they support me now because Lola really did wrong. Now my wedding day, maybe your own now you go fair go cousin. The reason why many people still stand by me now say waiting, not get marriage now she they do. Now I make them stand by me. So if you know wise now saying yeah, okay, they lie. If your own come, if you be saying now you go fair go trauma, give an rag boy when now you go find trouble. When you know say na bitter so. When you know say lolo na bitter mind. So be wise right now. Be wise. If you wait they clap for and they give a thumbs up, you get mama for us. You can't they say na person mama what they insult. Mini we wa ya no be bobo yo wa hi meje ju wa ma be de okay nu wa ma be wa se e lolo ne o wiyan te itoya abia you wa Mercy Bello ogun agbo we ogbo ba fun agbo wuta e bitter so nu me na e bitter medi nu me na o hian si we la yin mi egie afia gbiridi no to we de no kan ro wa ge lolo tu e de no biaro wa de no kworo wa ge agbe lolo amu lolo agbe lolo amu itoya abia you wa Mercy Bello abia you wa itoya Mercy abia you wa itoya agbe wo we ogbe wa fan eri orage no wuwa a sadist human being, sadist, bitter soul somebody. Can you imagine? People that are so bittered in their mind, people that are so bittered, they never let go of anything. They will never let go. They don't even care. They don't even know whether their children is existing. Person like Lolo, if she see where she won't use any of her children, they do money rituals. Sacrifice. Thank God for Europe. Thank God for Europe. Person like Lolekia. Mercy Bello. Oh, I make another way movie wearing with money rituals. Oh, get all that dinner. Because all of them are, she's a sadist. Every now and then when Lolo go bed, she's crying. Crying. You know, sadists, they never even try to work on their own. Any bitter people, bitter soul, they will never even think to work on their own. Whenever this relationship finish with this one, before you know, they run, they find another person where they cry meet. They don't know how to be self-standing. They don't know how to be, how will I put it? They don't even know how to be on their own. People where they're very bittered. They don't know how to be on their own. But they will be the one telling people, day your day, be on your own, stay your own. But initially, they cannot be on their own. Immediately, they say this door closed. Before you know, they are looking for another person to lie on. Immediately, they say, yeah, door closed. That is why Lolo can make many friendships like that. Una cross-check this social media. Una don't see how many presenters will be saying a person go get problem. You go, they find another person, they go away, one go, they cry, give. No, he not there. He not there. Because she's a bitter person, she not go even realize whether they help her or not. After they don't finish the mission, he go come out, contact they say, I not say una. Bitter people don't know how to appreciate. Appreciation is not in their agenda. Apologizing is not in their agenda. If she only come out, people where they talk, say, they hear Frank Mewa when they talk, say, even Lala, he come out, come they apologize. If they accuse them, who say? Go watch the video very well where they talk, say, they are two insult somebody. Go watch whether not like that, they say they apologize. Go and watch the video when Lolo they accuse. Whether not like that, they say they apologize. Mona go watch and come tell me. Lolo will never come out and apologize for you. She have a way to go about it. Bitter people. Bitter people. I beg my people, the leader don't come life. Who be the leader? Make that they lead themselves. Anybody where they talk, say, in a leader, you know that they are all sadists. Because every sadist and every bitter people, they want to be at the top. They want to use one big name to give themselves one rank. They always want to be at the top. Always try to tell people that, oh, now me they lead. Now me they do this one. Now me they do that one. It's when you wait for people to give you the name. Now when you wait, make people give you the name. Now they fit you. Most of the name, whether they call what that they call them. No ke wa vela deri yen leader da follow emi are white target. E mana ma ya ga je ve lo afia huju wa ya o. O mi obo we ya afia hu. O mi obo we ya o yo we kian ladin. Be ni je fia hu we gbo yo kan. Ere lo ave fia hu. Ije bi ona bi hwihu o me ha bi ene ihwihu. Yen bi na yen na bi bibia e ha. U re to we mi obo ya fia hu. Ere o ga je lo ave fia hu. Erije wa be dwe ona gbenori ko gbenoke ko deve ki gwe Nigeria ado ugbo bi guy nije lo le ki aya deve ki gwe eri o be lele ni kon vo doni o bi fa ke be miero be fiawu eri lo ave fiawu eri o mi obo ya fiawu wi o fiawu de la vija o imalu alaribe gba na 3 times I call you gba un so egbagbon de gbe oko we da gbagbo de gbe oko ki o wa we u wa bo han we hin ami o de ya lo u wa ami o de ya wu da we de ne we ro wa e atata ka ami o bo ya gbu wa we de no ma ro pa ro wa then wa na we lolo wi yen ge gbe oko ma ro pa social media na agbe ara gbe lolo aso ira so le amu ira mu lolo ri ora jene yen me ra sun ene ni edian o lolo edian o 1 year good 1 year na e dey so we yan ni e best went wrong take worry. Good 1 year, now it dey so. If not be audio matter or something, you'll see say now so this one go follow that one, this one go follow that one, this one for now only lolo for this social media. Now only lolo, all of una see the way that one see they cost on that day. What we munye deri au only lolekia. Now only lolekia now the problem they yet for this social media. Uhuwe susu, unoke unoji lagwa. Ewo bioma yen la ribe malu ala ribe ewo bi warrior dede yen bi malu ala ribe ave ewo bioma see that day when me and that one they do when we get kwanta when we dey insult each other wetin ato aribri come out no be the baby he write my enemy name he put am no be so that one do one because na me and I get problem he write my enemy name he put am because my one have problem. I know I just said what he do. He breed up baby because his mama don't die. He just fia who we roguye. He just abia you wa below. He just fia who we roguye. Ya ma bien gijemia or ma kan. We when is wa be hunaria wo ya. No, you fail because mano si jiju egbero. Mano when is ya gbigbi agiave igbagwe. Mareva. Where be say nothing where you know the talk now. I clitoris. Uhe, akbiko, wori kan wejo, akbiko no be your own. Uhe, no be your own. May you carry your own, enter UK city. Carry your own, go. No be person say, may you wear a crochet when you they go, out of London. When you wear crochet, as you wear a crochet, who shall that man go toast you? When you carry yourself local, go there, because here, it be a teve gualoseva. It be a teve gualoseva. Elolekia wa mi oboya gbe o agbonure na benu wa gbe o na benu uhiye kena benu dehiye kena wa mi oboya dego hie uhia ahio gwe aya polone ahio ya riego ki ohie o zagaza ga lawe gbe uhia we se no bia we se no hu ora we na rie wa riego hie eri ora jenue I want to belong. Ego they call people name. Hey, this one want to be. I'm ashamed of you, Lolekia. For how many years on social media? How many years? More than 6 years on social media. You are not ashamed. In Wanusuve 6 years ago, oh Yesuve de nena. In Wanusuve 6 years ago, oh Yesuve de nena. No moving forward, no transfer, no leave. No moving forward, nothing. You are always peeping, always spying on people to do copyrights, copycats. Lolekia the copyrights. The copyrights. The copy moon. Lolekia go here, go copy. He go there, go copy. He go come here, go copy. 6 good years on social media. You cannot even make use of your life. You cannot even make use of your life. You are not ashamed of yourself. For good 6 years. And you bring one topic now. May it last you forever. You not go see. If not be this saga now. May you just by mistake say you want to do topic for your age where you don't spend so far on social media. Bring topic, may you they do. Whether you see you go look you. You don't already see and say you are a failure to your community. You be failure to everywhere. That is why you just decide say, no problem. Oh yeah, now let's go there. Let me draw there along. Let me put the sadness, bitter mind. Bitter mind. Bitter mind. 6 good years on social media. You are still looking for a way to perch on people's life. Be ashamed. Ooh. Abia you want no vie bello. No vie dora. Il jouait fia ouvert ouie. Il jouait bel ouvert ouie. Et quand ça wa bijou avec more. Et quand ça wa bijou il jouait bel never ouie. On avait fia yo what on avait fia je. O ton vinya te blessing. Vinya te ne not no way. No way. Then again ni ya winya ga tie no de. O ti no ho avec mon. Blessing okiria. Blessing okiria bello. Blessing okiria bello o abo biona o avafan. O avec be ya fe ashawa kuna bastard. Akuna family. E dorana wa mi oba e joueur de gbe agmare ave. Imi aya dohoko ihe dora isiru awa fia ho we social media na ya dohoko imwe dora ne dora no fia wu ije dora gari agmare ave to hin alohokori e dora gari agmare ave to hin alohokori dora no fia wu e lole kia wu hin ave fia wu alo de ni juele wa alo de ni dora la wa alo de ni dora la e blessing e vinya winya tie blessing khori abelo Blessing kori abelo ije ela tien lo le kia tien bie you wa merci u wa eva kia gbe ovota gbona u wa gbe ba ko u wa kia ga mi oboya gbe ba ko wo wie ba van vota e gbagbon je gbe yo kuwa iba bo wie ba bota kia ruere le luwa e gbagbon je gbe yo kuwa ri oga je nu wa agbon yo igbe Lolo is a disgrace, total disgrace to a Edo community. Loleka is a total disgrace to our community. How can a mature woman with 3 children, you are on social media network for more than 6 years, you cannot come up with a topic. You cannot come up with a topic rather than to be feasting on people's carcass. You go they look for people's shit where they shit. No, mama. After how many years in Europe? 20-something years in Europe. You are now begging people that enter Europe about 5-10 years ago. 20-something years in Europe. That will not be backwardness. Mona tell me, my people, moving forward, there. Is there any forward thing there? 20-something years in Europe. Agbo mama we. Then ne no ke try not dia we say. Oni naga dia we na dia na. Onaga rie we yezi nya we na ba. Emi na yezi nya. Onaga try no kino we le nya ni no me ke na ma no me ke na zose. Eyiwe ma ye mi. Eyiwe re mi se bo wie. Eyiwe re mi se ba van. U mi se ba son u mi wa vie yore. E merci bello. E merci abia you wa bello no wo himalu alaribe. Eyiwe de gbe mi. Wa e ma ya fe nu we se na. Te ya hin iziga gbo eyegbo. Ebo ya fe nu we se na merci bello abia you wa ya hin iziga gbo eyegbo. Ugwa ebo bia itoya. A very bitter mind somebody. How come? Long ago when I read about these bitter people, bitter mind, bitter soul people, bitter-minded people, when they are so bitter about their past, they will never let go. It takes the grace of God. It takes the Spirit of God for them to let go. Bitter soul. Lolo is a bitter somebody. Even if you use 1 million, buy Lolo something today. Tomorrow, Meju and just something just happen a bit, say maybe she come, they ask you for money, my mere, all those million where you don't first spend for her, she will never remember any of them. I've never seen somebody like that. At that moment where you give Lolo something, at that moment where you give her that million, at that moment she will appreciate you, she will love you, she will kiss your feet, she will lick your cakas. Tomorrow, may she dey lack again, may she come meet you, say, ah, I need money, or you say I not get. Next tomorrow, go and say I not get. Before you know, she don't throw away, you are calling him. Yo, they call her, she not go pick again. Hello, J. Okay. Ere speaker. 1 minute. Oro via British bike awodoni. Boni esi jo egbe. Hey, ogun ga gbe lalo. E ma ta boni iwe enia. Then a woman igbina nese. Ma bere. Ajegbe ma. Ije. You. Elo loro via bike awo. Anyway, me awa bike awe neze yo. You know what see animana. No see animani ni mana ni ma dole. Jesus. Igogbama yese nore depo. Hello. Ogbama yese nore depo elo lohi o. Ubere. Ona yi ora bo. Ona yi ora bo. Elo lo fi wuwe. Elo lo fi wuwe. Elo lo fi wuwe. Ebo ya na to ari u kan kan lo lo ya sevigbe. Awete lo lo hi age no we ho. Awete lo lo hi ato ari. Ya sa bono we se ya sa se eto sevigbe me. Sevigbe me because lo lo hi undan. Elo lo hi undan ya wa ma ga ke no ye. O ere no ya doloji. Elo lo hi undan elo lo ama no ne nwe. Then have a temptation na ya roto. O e ko lu enwe we ne na to ari ge gin. Ne ge gin o e ko lu enwe o e ko lu enwe. Elo lo ye ko lu enwe ma lu enwe. O te wi me ya hin ate e me because o makan. Iyen no yon mure yon mo egbere. Nene mi ga surprise me ri ya we wa agui. Eri ya we so ma bere lolo. E fona mo tien la we gbe o bere. U bere. Oni we no ga re. Awe mi ya o we da wa we da wa we da wa. Veni me be ka mo ni we. Venu uje na wa ga o. Eri oni be tie e o bere. U bere lolo. Lolo we den enwe pa bobo emilu zebu. Emila ne lolo. E o lole kia abie yuwa. Abie yuwa belo. Ijwa wa ati zuwa ve ni ananare dora. E dora ma bie. O ma bie. Ande veri agmaria ve. O veri olo hohori. Eri agmaria ve. Ijo. E lole kia ogun odogbue. Isa gono bowe. Iya amyo boya hoyo wegbe fe. Elole kia umia menwaya bebona yegbere. Elole kia ya mwe bason gbo. Ya mwe bafan gbo. Mitewe no. Na social media awa. Ihi amwe showi ya mwe gbo. Tewe ni wa over social media ni woke. Iti enu ene no need ni ave yawe. Ya ame showi mwe bogbo. Ebo ni awa mi bo. Iya we erere nere rogi kere gbo. Oya metewe ni wa be se wi ai. Ni tie no ya watie no no ni alele we hia we ore uwu ayo bo we fin uwu e wa mi obo ya hugbe o wa mi obo ya avaju ene dora e sadisti we na your bitter mad na wa mi obo ya amu e vaju e nu ya ha mi ju e mi nu mi e agbon wa mi obo we ya amu e maju e ije lolo if una settle down look lolo history if una settle down look history mo na go look am. Since Lolo entered this Europe, right from when he entered Europe, a Lolo, sadist, bitter mind. Stephanie Nove Muladian, bitter mind. There is never a place where Lolo enter where good story come out. E kokpa maro na biye you ware mesibelo. E kokpa maro no e la nana miewe a story no mana la diava. Elolekia, oh, Emaya fe no ueho. Wa mi ya in short, wa gam you can. Last, I came here with Fiawu. Why came here with Fiawu? Who can slave in Atuari? Eriokia Deji. Who can slave in Meneketi? Who can slave in Nevo Yafe no Wesen when way do Belada? You are going to become our slave. Erikia you West I came here with Fiawu. Ya working a slave ever you have a social media. Who can tell yes, my yes, sir. And where you say make I go? Okay, anybody I got a live video, I call you way. Put up for speak, can he contribute? Area that no way ya head to woo wall or let ya. MSC Bello and Novie. MSC. Abia you want Novie Bello. No so bozo where the Quedora. No him Malaribe. A slave Wahia. A slave Wahia. Wahia Guama Janevo Yafe Nueti Ebona. Wahia Guama Janevo Yafe no Western when you don't bury Ladia. Wahia Guama Dalelia. Wamio Bobo where ya of me. Of Vieni nu Karani Ade. Of Vienu Hiaye Usotake Yahu. Of Vienu Hiahuji. Wamio Boya of Viene Bio. Wamo Boya was slave in the Bio. O Toti Huawei Yafe for him. Then when I Toti Huawei Mere Bono. O Toti Huawei na Degbe Gae. E Dagmo okay Afiahu. Wave uwe weji woto wave muyo moto yen veri ebuku. Ruda ije dan. E moda ave biye. Iya wama no we miesi. Eni so orun Oma no we mi da mi da ya fefe nu gwe na. Oga run awe run iwe. Oga run awe run gbe. Oga run awe ragio wawe. Eri oga je nu elolekia. Ugwa e wo hie. Ugwa e va van. Ugwa e va son. Ugwa e wo awe yore. Umia menu ya pe yegbere. Agwa e. Ovianu ga ale manu e ko wiye ka van ka son kota. Eyin ni jo mo ga sa menu ele leba e. Uga nwe. Ugu de gbe mi oboya gbe mi amenoro we gbe. Wa hie ere ga boru edi no de. Wa hie ranija. Eranija eva noroke. Wa hie rumoi. Wa keti ba wa de eti obe. Eri oga jenu elolekia. Eri oga jenu e bo wiye. Eri oga jenu e ba van. Eri wa ti igbe. Wa gbe no ejo. Igbe. Awin yen wa igbe. Awin yen wa igbe. Eboya ni ti egbe lolekia na aduna. Iva bo wi omi oboya fi ekun lelewe. Iva bo wi omi oboya fi ekun le. Alaribe malwe deba. Abie you wane Messi Bello. Abie you wane Messi Bello deba laribe. Iva bo wi ora fi ekun le luwa. Uwa geno uwa ho. Uwa geno uwa ho. Ewo ya no uwa ho fe. Uria ginya ya. Wa gam you kan. Wa owe na ya bolone ari ewo hie asense. Ohia wo social media na. Owe na ya bolo wa ya fefe no ga USA no mane aga iri ari ekona. Ohia wo tewe bona. Ohia be social media. You will become everybody's slave. You will become everybody's slave. Ototi wa weni nuwe na eni. Ohia na esota. Aifia yoto ukro ahia usi ahia yari ulalo. Eri orage no odegbe iwa ebo wie. Udegbe iwa eba fan. Udegbe iwa ebota. Eri orage no e. Who be this one? Who be this one? They say you can. Who be this one? They say you can. Wagme igbe lolo wi yen wa e. Ohia gebo ya no we ho ginya ya always slave lele ya fefe. Always slave lele ya fefe. A very bitter somebody. A very bitter somebody. Lolo, no. Sometimes when I look at you, I feel sorry for your past. I feel sorry for your past life. Because somebody treats you bad, your mama abandons you when they born you. Nobody to take care of you. Oh, majare, there are a lot of people like that. Because say your papas they sleep with you that time. Oh, wajare, it happened to many people also. They get away with it. They move on. You can never move on. You don't know how to move on. You don't know how to dust yourself and get out. You don't know. Many people will be thinking all these things is saga. No. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Let us call a spade a spade. This Messi Bello, Abia Yuwaso, the wife of Imalue Alaribe. If you now go check on, let's remove the Nigeria aspect. May we remove the Nigeria. Or more, you say, okay, we not really know. Okay, may we can't say, we not know how for Nigeria. May we come say, may we talk about Europe since the entire land. Make una check and balance. Loleke have never been a part, like in part of somebody, like rather, now pain. She they give people. And when she they give people that pain, she will be happy. And she go, they talk and come and say, I am happy that she's crying.